We've just had to get a huntsman off the tent.
If you look down into the sea, there are so many tiny little turtles like popping up and they go back down. Scary.
Just a short 10 minutes later and he's off.
Are you gonna try? That was so good.
Good morning guys, we are up nice and early. We've got about an hour and a half until Rockhampton and we've just had to get a huntsman off the tent.
It's a really cool one though.
It looks awesome. That was a bit of an experience. We've literally just woken up and put the tent away, so very tired.
We were heading out of the rest stop and what we both forgot is there was a coffee trailer right there. So we done a loop-de-loop, parked back up and we managed to get a coffee.
Where we camped last night was at the Boyne River. We were right on the edge of it, and for those of you that know, that is technically the start of saltwater croc territory. It might be a little bit further up, but you can get them there. So we might soon be able to see some, which I'm so excited about. Not too close though. I don't want to get too close, but there could have been crocs swimming around whilst we were sleeping last night. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. He was 6'4" and full of muscle, and his name was Jason. I come from the land down under.
That song hits different when you're actually in the land down under.
You have no idea last year how many times we listened to that song in England getting ready to come here, so it really does hit different when you're here. She said, you come from the land down under. I said, please speak my language. I come from the land down under. If you know anything about us, it's that we love drum and bass. So actually, the original is great, but the drum and bass remix is just a little bit better.
To us.
To us. Sorry guys. It's a little bit nuts because the road signs that we're going past are actually saying it's still 1,200 kilometers to Cairns. It's having too much fun, isn't it?
I love being free on.
Just had some lunch. It's only 10:30, but we were both absolutely starving. And now we're going to have a little walk around Kershaw Gardens. It looks quite nice at the moment, and there's a little wet area that you can play in, which I might play in later. So nice and refreshing. It's freezing.
It is so hot today and that was really nice. So, what are we going to do now?
I really want to go for a swim.
Let's go for a swim.
So let's head to Yeppoon and let's go for a swim, shall we? Yeah. It's strange seeing a Bundy bottle going up when we're in Rocky. I don't know why, but there you go.
They probably sell it there, that's why. I don't think I can. It's freezing in there.
I'm gonna see if I can touch the floor.
Just.
There we go.
Wow, this is such an awesome location. So it's $2.50 for the car park, and that's all day, and it's free to just get in the swimming pool. There's a cafe here, and those views are just absolutely beautiful.
That is a carbon copy of the Seacliff Bridge. It looked exactly the same, just a little bit smaller.
We are at Turtle Lookout, and if you look down into the sea, there are so many tiny little turtles like popping up, and they go back down. As soon as they come up, they go down, but there's so many of them, and it's so lovely. And the scenery here is incredible. I love it here.
Actually, we didn't realise, but we are right on the edge of Croc territory, so you can still swim, but there has been sightings before. So you can get in, but they might be there, they might not.
There's no warnings though. But we're not going to get in, we're just having a walk.
I might get my feet in. Just getting in, guys.
Little tiny little shell.
That is some big soldier crabs. That's it. On to the next one. We've had a very busy day today. We're both pretty tired and we're gonna head to bed. So we shall see you tomorrow.
Scary. We've come to different wreckers this morning, and we have found a Pajero with a boot handle, so Jason is currently just trying to take it off. Not sure if it's gonna fit, but we'll give it a go.
Just a short 10 minutes later and he's off.
Jason managed to get the door handle off the boot, which is really good. We're not going to fit it to Padge today because we don't have enough time, but it's only $22 at the wreckers to buy the bit that we needed.
I am now covered in bloody oil and dirt and all sorts of stuff. Let's get Jordan what she bloody wants. Koala encounter. Let's go.
If you've been watching the channel, you know I love my animals and that I've been wanting to hold a koala for so long. Well, we saw a signpost for this sanctuary on one of the roads and it said you could hold a koala, and we have just booked an encounter for that. You can do other encounters, but obviously money wise we're not sure if we're going to do it, but I'm so excited I finally get to hold one.
Oh, clearing them out.
Are you gonna try? Just walking down to the koala encounter and I might cry. The koala's coming out. That is one bucket list thing done, and that was so cool. I did nearly cry. Oh, it's so cute, it's so lovely. Some tiny little marmoset monkeys in there. They are so cute. You can do an encounter with them, but it's $75 and I can't do all the encounters. So we're gonna leave it, but they are so tiny. They are so tiny. So good. So good.
I am so glad that we managed to get something ticked off Jordan's bucket list. So, what a result, and it was a coincidence that we saw the sign, so even better. I am starving, so we're off to get some food.